I'm Michelle Cromer. This is your Creating a Meaningful Life tip of the week. Most people prepare for travel just by packing a suitcase, but sacred travel asks something different. It asks you to prepare your attention. Before you ever step on a plane or walk on a trail, ask yourself, why am I going? Not what do I want to see, but what am I willing to receive? Sacred travel isn't sightseeing, it's a relationship. That means arriving with humility, learning about the land and the people who have honored it before you, slowing down before you arrive instead of rushing through the experience. Sometimes preparation means quieting your expectations. Sometimes it means leaving space for the place to speak before you decide what it means. The truth is, sacred places don't reveal themselves to hurried travelers. I know that firsthand. They open slowly to those who arrive with curiosity, respect, and patience. Before your next journey, ask yourself, why am I being called to this particular place? That question can change the entire experience. Y'all ask me questions at michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks, y'all.